Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about unboxing Samsung Galaxy M51. So I have purchased this mobile from Amazon and I got a kind of big good deal in the exchange of old mobile as well as bank bankers discount. So it's 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory. So see here I'm going to say, let as soon as you receive the pack, you need to look around and make sure there is no scratches or opens on it, and make sure nothing is opened and it's clean. Okay. And another thing is, like, you must make sure to capture this video when you try to open it, because if there is some issue, so you can at least report it that this is been done when I try to open it and when I notice something inside. Recently one of my friend ordered a camera and he got the, like, a small half size of a brick in it. So let's watch the mobile here. It's M51. So upon multiple considerations with MI and Honor, so I picked this Samsung M51. And two things I considered, and the one is 64 megapixel camera and the other one is battery backup. And see here, you need to make sure the pack is not opened. Okay. And yeah, let's go back to our discussion about picking the mobile. 7000 mAh battery is huge, I think, for travel and for vlogging and for making videos and snapshots, everything. 64 megapixel and battery backup will do. I think it will justify very well. I'm going to use it, and I will write a vlog with positives and negatives as soon as I what to say, verify or come across all the features in it. So I ordered for electric blue color, and this is the mobile. Good that I have the mobile instead of something else. So let's explore further what and all been given and the glassy cover. And generally, if we go with Honor or MI, we generally receive a scratch card or tampered glass and a back cover. But in Samsung case, I don't think they will be giving it. It's beyond 20k, but we will not be getting any, like, scratch guard or back cover or headphones in it. So as soon as we spend 20 plus k, and we may look for headphones or little accessories where we don't need to go to another shop and get it fixed it. Okay. See, we do have this charger head, and this one is type C, and type C, this is used for the fastest charging. And you can see the cable in the box as well. And I'm still hoping whether I do have some more stuff in it apart from mobile, charger head, and this cable. Let's watch out. And there is another box, I have it with me, and it's kind of thin box. Let's watch what we have it here. And this is the pin which we use it to insert SIM, one or two or both. And we do have another slot for memory card, so it has two SIM slots and one memory card in it. And I think probably it looks like teeny pack, and it may be just a manual, could be. Let's watch out what it is there in it. Come on. Oh, cool. Small booklet. Oh, three booklets. Quick start guide, regional log guide, and a warranty card. Cool. And as I told you, right, I verified, and I searched a lot about 64 megapixel and battery capacity, and other stuff. And I felt M51 is going to be a good choice as of now, and I picked it for the best price. And see, as soon as you switch on the mobile, you make sure that it's not configured like with your account or any other account, and it should say like initializing a kind of. See, now you can able to see this mobile where it's asking us to proceed with the configuration. What configuration? I mean like my RID configuration. So make sure you yourself configure with your Gmail ID, since it's an Android phone. Okay, and there are a lot more in it to be configured, and there are features where if you have a Samsung mobile where it can pick all the apps from that mobile to here, like you can portability, right? Yeah, portable, you can do portability from that mobile to here, so that all the apps and data can be copied from that mobile to here. And beyond that, contacts, since you are using your Gmail ID in the Android, so it picks all the contacts whichever is imported in the previous mobile. Okay, so make sure you configure it well and use it. Okay, um, and what else I should say? Yeah, and this fingerprint, yeah, to unlock the fingerprint, so the tab is given the beside below the volume keys, so that is the key used for lock, unlock, and fingerprint scanner to unlock the mobile. And it has a face detection as well, and that was like very cool. It responds so fast. I tested it multiple times. It was so good. And yeah, I think I felt it's a better choice for me, and I'm going to explore more by using mobile for snaps, videos, and battery backup. I will be checking it because it's 7000 mAh battery, and how many days it will justify if we use more and more, not like general for calls or just browsing. So, and yeah, that's very, just wait for the review of this mobile soon. I think. And thanks for watching. I will come back again with